Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the third week, technically the fourth, but I didn't have a chance to do anything last week. It got pretty hectic and pretty busy. Like always, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, I'd appreciate it if you subscribed. Like the video, comment what you guys want to see in terms of future content. There's a lot of stuff that happened in between that week 2 little vlog I uploaded like 2 weeks ago and now. So the major thing is chemical guys, detailing products. I ended up securing a affiliate like little partnership with them. Score like a discount code for you guys at some point eventually, but right now it's just an affiliate link. If you guys have like an advanced auto by you, I'm not sure how other stores do it, but right now I went in there today just to get some stuff for an oil change for my wife's Jeep, and they had like a 30% off thing going on right now, and I was able to actually scoop up chemical guys stuff for super cheap, like their ceramic interior protectant spray. It's usually like 20 something bucks. Dude, I got it for like $12. I got some tire shine for like $6 or something. It was super fucking cheap. And I'm just saying this like, you don't have like, obviously the affiliate code thing for chemical guys wouldn't work for that, and I wouldn't get any money from it, but I'm just trying to save you guys a few bucks and let you guys know that if you have like an advanced auto or something, it's definitely worth checking out their little deals they have going on, I guess, right now. Maybe it's for Christmas, I don't know. But it was like 30% off of like select chemical guys stuff, and it was all like their ceramic, like top of the line products, which I used and they're really good. So I installed the AUXBEAM light controller. Obviously you guys saw the video for that, and it was very easy, straightforward install. It's a lot better than what I thought it was gonna be. Initially, I thought it was gonna be like some cheap Chinese bullshit. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna say it like it is. And yeah, I was actually pleasantly surprised that it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It was actually a lot better than what I was assuming it was gonna be. And I snapped a few photos with some of the stuff I've been learning and practicing, getting different angles, different focal points, messing with the ISO, messing with the shutter speed, just a bunch of shit I've been doing in general. I've been trying to upload more frequently on Instagram, and I'm trying to kind of get like a good gauge on how much content I can pump out without burning myself out. And content in terms of like photos, making like some stupid ass reels that people love somehow, I don't know. I could post a really good photo, get like 90 likes, post some stupid ass reel and get like a gajillion likes. As you guys saw in the other video that I posted like 2 videos ago, the transfer case skid plate is now installed. I don't know if I talked about that in the last weekly like little recap. I think I just briefly mentioned that I got it and I was going to install it, but yeah, it's installed now and it is fucking money. Just like the transmission one's good. And then that's the other thing too, I got some good news in terms of skid plate stuff. So CaTuned Off-Road, I'm gonna be getting their engine and radiator little combo skid plate that works with their bumper. So it's like a little seamless system. I'm definitely gonna be doing an install video on that. It's really straightforward. It's like fucking like 6 bolts or something like that. It's not crazy. But I really just wanna get some content out. Sorry. I want to get some content out in terms of CaTuned Off-Road, and I might do a video just dedicated to CaTuned Off-Road and the dude Max that runs it, the operation. I've had some interactions with them. Obviously, I run their front bumper, but a lot of people don't realize that the dudes who work at this company are like genuinely great people. I mean, it's one thing like to go to a company, yeah, they make good product, but you're just a number. With CaTuned Off-Road, I feel like it's a much more personal connection with them, because there's a real deep human aspect to the company based on the interactions I've had with them. And I just want to let you guys know that, because it's not always about, oh, I can get this cheaper there or cheaper here. It's about supporting the people who work at some of these companies, because some of these companies are not big, like corporate type things, like some of the larger ones like Front Runner, CBI, Prinsu, whatever the fuck else there is, C4, like those are large companies. And then you have CaTuned Off-Road. I mean, I don't know the size of the company, honestly, if it's large, if it's small, but it seems like it's small based on my interactions with them, because small businesses tend to take customer service at a much more personal level than just, oh, order number, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, we'll get to it. Yeah, we received your email, we'll respond back. And like all this automated shit. When you talk to them either on Instagram, email, phone, or whatever, they're very understandable dudes. And when I got my bumper, so I was considering that or the CBI one. At the time, I was pretty tight on money. And Max actually reached out to me because I was commenting on a lot of their posts with the bumper. He was like, hey dude, do you want this front bumper? There's one that we have here in the shop that got a little bit dinged up. I mean, I got it and it was fucking immaculate. But yeah, he's like, yeah, we got this one that's a little bit dinged up. We'll sell it to you for what it is that costs for us. They picked up the shipping. So I'm not gonna tell you the price I paid, but we talked for probably like 2 or 3 days about it. And he was very understanding, and he went out of his way to help me basically to be able to afford, I guess, at the time, that front bumper. And ever since then, like, I've had a pretty good relationship with them. I mean, I don't talk to them every day, but I do reach out and talk to them probably maybe 2 or 3 times a week, just to see what's going on. And I obviously, I'm engaged with their social media stuff. But yeah, I cannot recommend their company enough. If they make something for your vehicle, I would highly recommend at least looking into it, reaching out to them, talking to them about it. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm gonna just make a whole video dedicated on them. I actually have to call Max on Monday to talk about some of the details for the skid plate. But yeah, so CaTuned Off-Road, fucking great dudes. I would highly recommend their products. Not even just based off of the quality of the product, but also the quality of their customer service. They actually care. They care. You're not a number. You're a person to them, and they treat you like such. Anyone else who has done business with Max or the dudes at CaTuned Off-Road, they can probably attest to what I'm saying too. They would probably be in agreement. But yeah. Also, if you guys ordered a MORRFlate TenSix, the new version that they finally received, like, I think like 2,000 units or something the other day. They're starting to ship out the back-ordered TenSix units. I just got my confirmation for shipment yesterday or 2 days ago, I believe. So I am pumped to receive that. If you guys need a compressor, I highly suggest looking into MORRFlate. I do have a discount code with them for 10% off. As you can see below, it's D41 Mall Crawler. There's the TenSix. They also offer, I believe it's like the 5.6 or something. Let me look it up real quick, because they have the dual compressor, which I got. Let me just look it up here for you guys. I also did a big write-up on their compressors on my blog also. That's going to be below if you want to check that out. It's a pretty quick read. So yeah, it was the TenSix PSI Pro is what I ordered. It's the one where you can set the pressure, hook up all 4 of your quad setup, because that's the other thing too. If you're buying a MORRFlate TenSix, you more than likely have the quad inflation deflation little MORRFlate system, which saves you a shitload of time on the trails. It's nice now too with the TenSix Pro. You can just set up the PSI, get all 4 tires hooked up, turn it on, just walk away, and just go do other shit. Look through your bed, random shit, check your rig, like I don't know, check your oil levels, like whatever. You have time to do whatever you want. Drink a fucking crispy one with the boys, dude. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, so the other one is the 5.6. The 5.6 is the single compressor. It's I think this is a little bit less CFM. It's 5.6 CFM, which makes sense because the TenSix is 10.6 CFM. So yeah, it has a 50% duty cycle, 15 minutes on, 15 minutes off. There's no way it's gonna run for 15 minutes if you're pumping up your tires. It will be like maybe 5 minutes at most. I don't know. I'll time it once I get this new PSI Pro. I think pretty soon Vividlumen is gonna be releasing some new product. I'll keep you guys updated with that. Yeah, so I'm gonna be replacing my Heretic Studio BA4 like amber quads. I'm gonna be replacing those with the Vividlumen. I think this is like the FNG3 or something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna be replacing that with their flood beam. And I think I'm gonna go with the yellow lens and then get the yellow covers for the FNG5s. Not combo beam, but hyperspot beam. And then I wanna get Vividlumen's 3-inch like SAE fog lights and mount those below the FNG5 so I can aim that in a way which would be like a supplementary fog light. So I can line it up with where the fog light cut off is now from the factory, so I'm not gonna be blinding people with it. Other than that, I don't think there's anything else to touch on. I'm not sure. I'll try to get something uploaded next weekend, but if not, you guys have a good Christmas or whatever the fuck holiday you celebrate, and just spend time with your family and cherish it, because that shit doesn't last forever. Have a good one, guys. That was kind of dark. But yeah, have a good one, guys. And like always, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Anything helps, or you can even dislike it and tell me to go fuck myself. Doesn't really make a difference to me, because I'm still gonna be cranking this shit out. And I can just take that critique that you would give me and maybe change things going forward. But who knows?